Hi there, Clee Porter here. I am a 4% promotional partner and a member of the 4% Challenge training program. And I just want to give you my takeaway of the first 14 sessions that I've gone through. Session 1 through 8, my takeaways from that is, number one, building that success foundation. This program is helping to make you aware of the things that the way you think has a lot to do with getting to the next level of your success. And we have accumulated some bad habits or beliefs about ourselves that is preventing us from getting to that next level. And the way to overcome that or reprogram our subconscious mind is by creating new habits. And one way of doing that, we have created our goal card. It is helping us to build new habits by focusing on this on a daily basis several times. And this goal card has helped me in an instance where I have had some issues with connecting my custom domain name, ClickMagick and Namecheap. I had some issues there, and by reading this card, it helped me to refocus. And the next thing, my next takeaway is the planning. Understanding the planning, using your products to help you map out the numbers to get to your outcome, and the importance of ownership of the products and that invisible power that you get from ownership, and how important it is to invest in the tools that you need to build your foundation. Session 9 through 14 is like pulling up your sleeve, getting ready to work, looking over Vick's shoulder and modeling him and setting up the system that you're going to use to build your success. And the Internet Traffic Mastery course, wow, what can I say about that? It's like you're fishing in a goldfish bowl and you're jumping out into an evergreen ocean of possibility of evergreen traffic. So if you don't have that course, I encourage you to get it. You will thank yourself later. And if you're not part of the training course, get in and get started. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.